Okay, never startle a sleeping netter. Hey, it's me, girl. Your old pal, Heather. You and I are gonna go on a little trip. I'm just gonna put this saddle on you. Sorry, girl. No checking tonight. See? No big deal. Okay, girl. That wasn't so hard. Now, let's go find Astrid. Come on, girl. Come on, Stormfly. Yeah, come on.
I want to go on record as saying I'm not so sure about this plan, Hiccup.
If you have another one, I'm open.
I just think landing in a wild dragon nesting ground is really going to freak Meatlug out.
Really? Well, how does she feel about flaming arrows and catapults?
Yeah, she really doesn't like those either.
Oh, you don't say.
Tell you what, fish legs, when we get there, you just lay back and let the real dragons do the work.
Yeah, you really have no idea what a swarm of angry wild dragons are capable of.
You know what would be awesome?
Flaming arrows, catapults.
And wild dragons.
That makes 3 of you.